we're milking right now. We got only part of a side left, 4 cows. We had to have some of the cows go run 4 of them out of the side and leave the rest, the other 4 in, since these 4 can go in. Here's the 4th cow.
Here in front remains of the Twin Cities Hospital with severe injuries. The incident happened Saturday in Dale County. Efforts to capture the black bear are ongoing. And a second big lottery winner in Wisconsin has many weeks.
Right here, I'm just putting the milkers in the wash trays, so when the pipeline wash runs, they all get washed.
Next drawing. Another $2 million winning ticket was sold last week in Appleton. That handled the Scouts and Radio Network News.
Alright guys, my brother there, he's scraping the lanes with the hand scraper. Me and my sister are still finishing putting the milkers in the wash trays here. Trying to do it with one hand. This is not working. Alright guys, that's the last side of cows going out by the parlor for this morning.
Richard's Insurance Agency would like to remind all deer that they really need to start using the crossbows. The number of deer being hit by our customers is really becoming a concern, and it is bad for their health.
Last one.
Know any deer, please ask them to kindly.
Alright guys, I'm clicking the pump switch for all the rest of the milk that's in the pipeline to get pumped into the tank. Alright, now I'm going to put the hose from the tank here. I close it, then unscrew it. Some of the milk that's in the hose, it couldn't get pumped. There was too little for it to get pumped up. Alright, garage door's open. The gator's in here with all the grain. We're gonna go feed the heifers and dry cows now. Alright guys, me and my brother finished training the dry cows, and now we're up here in the freestall barn, and we have 3 5-gallon buckets that we're filling with feed from up here, and we're gonna take down, put in the barn, and dump in these. There's a tub down there, and we're gonna dump them in there for a cow that's in the pen in the barn, because she just had a calf, so she'll stay in there till tonight. So this will be her feed she'll be getting. Alright guys, all the heifers and dry cows, everyone's green. We fed that feed to the cow in the pen in the barn, and now we're gonna feed the dry cows some hay. I'm in the Bobcat S205. We're gonna feed them like 12 bales, I think it is. Alrighty guys, I just took the bale forks off. We're finished feeding the hay. I'm coming out here by the freestyle barn to get the big bucket, and we're gonna put all the plastic in it and take it down to the dumpster. It's good loader. Alrighty guys, got a full bucket of plastic here. I'm heading down to the dumpster. Right there's the dumpster. Alright guys, 12:50. We just got done hauling manure. There goes my sister at the last load. It's not a full load, but it's like about half. Now we gotta go close the gates and let the heifers in for water. Then we'll go and clean the windows Oh, there's my other sister coming out with the John Deere skid steer. We'll let the heifers back in the cow yard, and we'll take the skid steers out and out to the freestyle barn, to the hydrant, and wash the windows up and spray a bunch of the manure off the sides of them. They got pretty dirty this time because it was really sloppy. There's a lot of rainwater with it, so the skid steers got really dirty this time. There's a plane that's out crop dusting the corn. My brother seen it when we came out to start scraping the freestyle barn, so I figured I'd show you guys. Alright guys, it's I think it's like 3:20 in the afternoon. My brother is weed trimming right now, and I'm mowing, and we're cutting a lot of grass. He's weed trimming around the freestyle barn right now, and there's a big spot of grass here I'm gonna cut, and I got